Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In the last video, we installed Python on our Windows machine. Now, in today's video, I will create a virtual environment for my Python project. What is a virtual environment? A virtual environment is an isolated space in a directory where you can have your packages, dependencies, and libraries installed separately rather than installing them on globally system wide level. And you would be wondering why I am creating a virtual environment. It's just because it's as the name implies, I want my Python project dependencies and libraries to be installed separately from my global Python installation, so it can be installed in its own isolated environment only. For right now, don't worry if you don't know what dependencies or libraries are. We will learn them later in the course when we will use them. For right now, just trust me that it is useful to create a virtual environment when working with multiple projects at the same time and is considered a good practice. So let's start. To create a virtual environment, we will type python -m venv and the name of the directory you want to name it to your virtual environment. In this case, I will give name my env. And now you can see that there is a new directory that appeared here that will be created when my this command runs and it's finished. So let's wait for a few seconds. And also you can see there was a pop-up that showed that do you want to change the Python environment, which I didn't selected. So you can see it's installed here. This virtual environment will be created on top of an existing base Python installation and will be isolated from the packages in the base environment. So by that I mean, this is our right now. I am on a, let's show you Python version. You can see that I am using Python 3.12.2, which we installed in the previous video on our Windows machine. And you can see if I type pip list, you can see that these are the packages installed in my Python global system level, on Python installation that is on the system level. But let's let's go to our or activate our virtual environment. To activate our virtual environment, we will just type venv my env, the name of the directory, then go to scripts, then run the activate script. You can go to here scripts, and you can see there is an activate.bat. That is a batch command and PowerShell command. You can use that. So in the Windows, we will just type activate, and we will go to my env, the environment, scripts, and activate. And it will ask you that do you want to run this script. We will just press R. Yes, run this. And now you can see that you are on a virtual environment, that the base Python installation, and now you are in a virtual environment. And when I press pip list here, you can see that only one package is shown here, pip 24.01, not the other packages that is installed on our global system level. So we are just separating our project Python dependencies packages separately from the global system level. So Pip is the default package manager that is installed as from the base Python. It is used to install and manage dependencies and libraries that are not part of the Python standard library. So now we have a virtual environment for our Python project, and we can manage Python project from here. So yeah, we have just separately created a virtual environment for our Python project, and this is our Hello World is the Python project, and this is its virtual environment directory. And now we will actually start learning Python from the next video. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.